Most cleaning liquids contain lots of toxic chemicals. They cause skin irritation among other respiratory issues. They also contain microplastics and most of them are packaged in plastic. This is why we decided it's time to launch our own multi-surface cleaner, Genie in a bottle. Like Aladdin says, shining, shimmering and splendid, our new surface cleaner can take you wonder by wonder. You only need to pour your powder into about 250 ml of water or the other way around, mix it well, and 10 minutes later, your Genie is ready to leave your spaces sparkling like a whole new world. It works great on kitchen countertops, glass windows, and inside your oven, bathroom fixtures, and pretty much everything. My favorite part? It's got grapefruit extracts to leave your surfaces smelling all fresh and fruity. And of course, everything is zero waste. The pouch is full of magic, is fully compostable, and is printed even with vegetable dye ink. The glass bottle can be refilled and reused forever.